Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the electrifying world of electric eels, those fascinating aquatic creatures that pack a punch like no other. Strap in because we're about to uncover the shocking truth behind these living batteries of the Amazon. Let's kick things off with a jolt of excitement by talking about what electric eels actually are. Despite their name, electric eels aren't true eels, but rather a species of knifefish native to the freshwater rivers of South America, particularly the Amazon and Orinoco basins. Electric eels are no small fries. They can grow to impressive lengths of up to 8 feet and weigh as much as 20 kilograms. Picture a slimy, elongated creature with a dark olive green or brownish coloration, perfect for camouflaging in the murky waters they call home. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, their electric powers. Electric eels possess specialized organs called electrocytes, arranged in stacks along their bodies. When these electrocytes discharge simultaneously, they can generate electric shocks ranging from a few volts to as much as 600 volts. That's more than enough to zap a small human. Don't worry, we won't be testing that today. So why do electric eels have these shocking capabilities? Well, it's all about survival. These electric shocks serve multiple purposes. Firstly, they are used for hunting. Electric eels can emit low-voltage pulses to detect prey in their vicinity, and when they're ready to strike, they unleash a high-voltage shock to immobilize their prey, typically fish and invertebrates. On the flip side, electric eels also use their electric powers for defense. Imagine being a hungry caiman eyeing an electric eel for dinner. Not a wise choice. When threatened, these eels can deliver a powerful shock to deter predators and make a quick getaway. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly do electric eels generate electricity? It's all about chemistry and physics, folks. Within their electrocytes, there's a delicate balance of ions, sodium and potassium across the cell membranes. When the eel wants to discharge electricity, it opens ion channels, allowing these ions to flow rapidly, creating an electric current. To put it simply, electric eels are like living batteries, but instead of cells, they've got bioelectrical wizardry going on inside them. Let's talk about where you can find these shockers. Electric eels are primarily found in slow-moving or stagnant waters, such as swamps, creeks, and backwaters of rivers. They're nocturnal creatures, preferring to do their hunting and exploring under the cover of darkness. Interestingly, electric eels are air-breathing fish. Yep, you heard that right. Despite being fully aquatic, they need to come to the surface every 10 minutes or so to gulp air, thanks to a modified esophagus that doubles as a primitive lung. Now, let's switch gears and discuss the circle of life for these electrifying beings. Electric eels are solitary creatures for most of their lives, coming together only during the breeding season, which typically occurs during the rainy season in their native habitats. During courtship, males perform elaborate displays to attract females, and once a pair mates, the female lays thousands of eggs in shallow waters. These eggs hatch into larvae, which eventually grow into juvenile eels, embarking on their own electrifying journeys. Before we wrap up, let's debunk a couple of myths surrounding electric eels. Firstly, they're not eels in the true sense. They belong to the knifefish family and are more closely related to catfish than actual eels. Secondly, while electric eels can deliver powerful shocks, they're not out to electrocute unsuspecting humans for fun. They use their electric abilities primarily for survival and communication, not as a party trick. Finally, let's touch on the conservation status of electric eels. While they're not currently listed as endangered, their habitats are under threat from deforestation, pollution, and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring these remarkable creatures continue to thrive in their natural environments. And there you have it, folks, a deep dive into the world of electric eels. From their electrifying powers to their unique biology and behaviors, these creatures never cease to amaze. Next time you're near a freshwater river in South America, keep an eye out for these living batteries of the Amazon. Just don't get too close unless you're ready for a shocking experience. Thanks for tuning in, And until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.